As the leaves start to fall, there's one important home maintenance task that you don't want to overlook: cleaning your gutters. This simple job can save you a lot of headaches down the road, and fall is the perfect time to get it done. Your gutters play a crucial role in directing water away from your home's foundation. When they get clogged with leaves, twigs, and debris, that water has nowhere to go and can cause serious damage like roof leaks, foundation cracks, and even basement flooding. Cleaning your gutters is not complicated, but safety comes first. Make sure you're using a sturdy ladder and positioning it on a flat, stable surface. If you're not comfortable on a ladder, consider hiring a professional or ask someone for help. It's worth it to keep yourself safe. Once you're up there, use a small scoop or a glove to remove the debris from the gutters. Work your way along the gutter, making sure to clear out all the leaves and muck. Don't forget to check the downspouts. If they're clogged, water can back up and overflow. After you've cleared out the debris, grab a garden hose and flush out the gutters to make sure water flows freely through them. This will also help you spot any leaks or areas where the gutters might need repairs. Now, if you're not a fan of climbing ladders, there are also tools you can buy that attach to your pressure washer. These allow you to clean your gutters from the ground with no ladder needed. They're a great option for anyone looking to stay safe while getting the job done right. Finally, make sure your downspouts are directing water well away from your foundation. If you notice any issues, now's the time to fix them before the winter weather sets in. So this fall, take some time to clean your gutters, whether it's from a ladder or using a pressure washer attachment. It's a simple task that can prevent major problems and protect your home from water damage. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course.